Now that we've added our measurement tokens, we've linked those within our price list in our calculations so that all of our price lists have those preset calculations done for us. Now all we have to do is go to our templates and start to build out our quotes here. So I'm going to add a new template here. I'm going to give it a template name, roofing quote. And a template type, I'm going to do the quote details template. And I'm going to share this one with all of my users and hit next. So roofing quote is the name. I'm going to call this down here as well roofing quote because that's what is going to appear as a header on that page. And the section title I'm going to call house roofing. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go through and on each of these items I want to start building out my quote, but I want to do it with price list items. Because once those are linked, it's automatically going to pull in all of those measurements for my users. So here I'm going to start by saying Atlas Pinnacle Pristine, right? So it comes in, it brings the whole thing in with my pricing, and I've got that linked. So I can visibly see this is not just something I typed in, it's something that's actually linked to a price list. And then I'm going to go through here. I'm going to add my starter. I'm going to add my ridge. I'm going to add my ice and water. So once you've got that price list built with all those items, it's very quick and easy to come in here and actually build all of that out into the actual quote that you want. So just type through, select your items that you want, and those are going to load in here. And that'll become the standard part of your quote. So there we go. I've linked all of these items, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save those changes. So now what happens when I go into my project and I go into one of these projects and I've already got measurements added in here, I'm going to create a new report here. And I'm going to go to my quote details page and I'm going to view my templates and I'll go to my shared templates and here's my roofing quote. So when I hit plus on that, you can see all of my measurements drop in here automatically. And if I click on this price list item here, here's the calculation that I had set up. Here's my total roof area, my suggested waste percentage. I can change this and it's going to change the number of bundles for me here. And I can hit save. So once you build those or create those measurement tokens, you use those in your calculations in your price list, and then you build your templates, in this case our quote details template, off of our linked price list items. That's where all of the measurements that we fill in automatically build out your quote so that you don't have to spend the time doing those calculations. If you have any questions, please email us support@sumoquote.com. We'd be happy to help.